The P0089 code means the ECM has detected that the fuel pressure regulator isn't working the way that it should. In simple terms, the fuel pressure is either too high, too low, or unstable, and that affects how the engine runs. The first cause could be a failing fuel pressure regulator. If the regulator is stuck open or closed, fuel pressure won't be controlled properly. That can lead to poor throttle response, hard starting, or even stalling. The second cause could be a failing fuel pump. Now, depending on your engine setup, your vehicle could have one or two fuel pumps. On traditional fuel systems, there's usually one low-pressure fuel pump inside the gas tank. On GDI systems, there's usually a low-pressure pump in the tank and a high-pressure pump on the engine. If either pump can't supply the correct fuel pressure, the regulator won't be able to do its job, and that can trigger the P0089 code. The third cause could be a faulty fuel pressure sensor. If it's sending the wrong readings to the ECM, the system might think the fuel pressure is off, even if it's actually normal. The fourth cause could be a clogged fuel filter or a restricted fuel line. If fuel flow is blocked, pressure may drop or fluctuate, which throws off the entire system. The fifth cause could be wiring or connector issues at the fuel pressure regulator, pump, or sensor. A poor connection can cause the ECM to lose control or get false readings. The last possible cause is a faulty ECM, which is rare. But if the ECM can't read the signals or control the fuel pressure correctly, it may trigger the P0089 code. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.